This is the full tutorial for the BTS haircut Dynamite. This particular look is a new take on a 90s classic. First, take the time to watch the video from the beginning to the end. After that, if you want to practice these techniques by yourself or with your team, I'll be leaving some stop signs so you can pause and practice the techniques. Let's do it! We will start the haircut by sectioning the hair on the desired side part. Then we will divide the hair from the front to the back, just behind the ear. Using condensed cutting and the comb as a guide, comb the hair in natural fall. Use the blade to push the hair to the back of the comb. And using a long shears, cut the desired length with the blade slightly tilted in. This will help to create a little bit of undercut. For this large format cutting, I like to use 7 inches German style blades, with one of the blades with a serrated edge. This tool helps you to create a clean cut and not push so much the hair. For the back on this hairstyle, I'll be using as a reference the previous cut line on the sides. Cut a graduation using the French technique, using your desired angle. Continue this same angle from ear to ear. The angle you choose will determine the length and the fullness in the back. After the median segment of the back is done, use the same French technique by connecting your new guide to the desired length on the nape. If your client wants a shorter style on the nape, you can use clipper over comb or shears over comb. Always clean the perimeter at your liking. To style this look, I'll be using paste. This will give me the flexible control and support that I need. Using a bent brush, dry the hair into the style. Use the round brush and bend the ends if needed. To create the undercut effect in front of the ears, I would use the texturizing scissors with the larger teeth to give me a razor finish look on this area. This is what it makes this traditional men's haircut into a brand new look. Cut this area until the desired look is accomplished. Don't cut it too fast or too short. For sure, take your time. This part is what will make this a costume tailor look. To blend this style, when the hair permitted, use the same blade and following the haircut, remove the hair using this pattern. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Take your time to check how the hair blends with the blend brush. If you see that it needs additional blending, take your time to go over again. To make it more customized, detail the hair using the freeform with a razor blade. Wax will add the needed control and hold to finish this look. And always seal the deal with the hairspray. For a second look more like the Dynamite by BTS, flick the hair to the back with the brush and add some waves to the look. This particular look is a new take on a 90s classic. If you like this type of tutorials, give it a thumbs up. Consider to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. This is Angel del Solar sharing with you BTS Dynamite.